Hi there, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and we are experimenting with our grinder we just got. It's an LEM BigBite number 8, which I think is a 1/2 horsepower motor. We've got a 2.8 pound roast we're gonna turn into sloppy joes. So we're gonna grind it into a hamburger right now. I'm gonna start with the larger diameter hole bit, or I'm not even sure what the proper term is for these discs that go on here. It's got the grinding blade on the inside. To get us going, I'm going to trim a little bit of the outside fat off this roast, then cut into some strips that'll fit down the hole, and we'll film the process a little bit as we go along the way. Alright, so we're going to feed it all through. I got it sliced up. We're going to feed it all through with the big hole selected. That's what the sound is when it's starting up and running. These are stripped enough where mostly they'll go through. That is basically all it took to do it wasn't even a 3 pound roast, like 2.8 pounds or so. So now I'm gonna turn it off, and we will change out the blade, or this disc, if that's what's called. The blade's behind it. Still need to learn the right term for that. But as far as this goes, we're gonna just tip this up into the tray on top, and we'll feed this back through after we change out the disc. This is a kind of a, maybe I can get this with one hand here. Just unscrew the collar here.